I will show you how to do a simple circuit in Tinkercad. So first, click on Tinkercad and with the class, so I will be able to access your design. Okay, there's different lessons. We will use circuits. So click on circuits, and you will click create a new circuit. Okay, so on the left you have the component. Okay, different components. Those that you see, that's the basic component. There is much more components. If you click all, you will see all of them, but also one really cool thing is just to make a search. So we will begin by a simple circuit using a breadboard. So you click on breadboard small and you move it on your circuit. That's the base of your circuit. How does that work, the breadboard? If you go over any dot, you will see the dots that are linked together. So that means that behind the breadboard, there's connections between those 5 dots. So if you put a cable or wire inside 6, all of these holes will get the current. Okay? This plus, minus, plus, and minus are connected horizontally, and everything in the middle are connected vertically. So instead of using wires, we will use those connections that are already made. Okay. We need a source of power. Let me check. So let's click power. Oh, let's see if we have this power supply. Here we go. We will grab the power supply, and we want 5 volt, 5 amps. That's perfect. Okay. We will connect the plus with the wire. So if you click, you will make a turn to the plus, and I will put this wire in red. I will connect the negative to the minus. I will make it black. There. So I have my source of power. Now nothing happened, but if you click on Start Simulation on the top, you will see the current and the amperage. Let's click on Stop Simulation. Okay, we need a LED. So let's remove the power source and I will grab a LED. Let's put the LED there. Okay, and let's keep it red. I will show you what's happened. I will connect the cathode to the plus. So this is a red. And I will connect the anode, is it the anode? Anode to the negative. Okay, let's try what's happened. Start simulation. Nothing happened. Let me check. Maybe we didn't connect the wire in the right direction. So let's do it again. Plus to the anode in red, minus to the cathode at the cable black. Let's start simulation. Yeah. So first it didn't turn on, so we were not in the right directions. Okay, so directions matter. The anode must be with the plus. Second, what's happened? We blew our LEDs. Very important for your automaton. You will have your real LEDs. Don't blow them. We forget to put something on purpose. I want to say. So current through the LED is 483 milliamperes, while absolutely maximum is 20 milliamperes. What can we do to reduce the amperes? The current. We can add, let me stop simulations. We can add a resistor. So let's move the LED upstairs, on the second part upstairs there, and let's add a resistor. Let's keep it 1 kilo ohms. And we need to connect this one and this one in black. So now the current is going in the plus, resistor, LED, and coming back to the power source. Let's click on Start Simulations. Here we go. The LED is turned on. The current is 3 milliamps. Remember, we cannot go more than 20 milliamps with the LED. And we can turn on it. We can decrease the resistor a little bit. So we try to reach 20 milliamps. Let's try that. So let's stop simulations. If I click on my resistor, I can change it to 500. Let's try and see how many milliamps we have now. Let's turn it on. We have 6. The LED is brighter. We can see it more, okay? So that's important to not to put too much resistance. So we don't want to have a LED that's just blow very, very little. We want to improve that. So let's change that to 120 amperes. Let's start simulation. 24. What does I say? Current is 24 and the maximum is 20. We can change a little bit that. 160. 18. We are super good. 150 should be great. Yes, awesome. So let's keep 150. I want to tell you something. The limits depends of the type of LED, and it depends of the color. So it's not the same limit for red, blue, green. Okay, for your RGB LED, that is multiple color LED that you will use for the automaton. It will not be the same resistors for each leg. So don't try your RGB LED in your engineering kit before you do the activity for Tinkercad for automaton. Okay. Now we are working just on the board of director machine. Okay. I want to show you how we can add a switch. So we have a switch there. Okay. Let me just think about the switch 10 seconds. We can put the switch on the left. So let me stop simulations. Oh, we will just, add the switch there. Okay. So how the switch works? There is some terminal 1, terminal 2. Okay. So when the button is on the left, the terminal 1 will get current. When it's on the right, the terminal 2 will get current. So let's remove this and we will connect, we put it in red. So the resistor to the terminal 1 and this one there, terminal, and it's red too. So what's happened with the current? The current is leaving the power source, going there, going in this wire, going in the common of the switch, coming back there, terminal 1, going in the resistor, in the LED, and coming back to the source of power. Let's start the simulation. This is on. If I switch on the other side, this is off. This is on, and this is off. So start simulations and on and off. Okay. So that's the basic circuit, how to turn on the LED. And let's just think that this one is just your one input, current or not current. When we turn on the current, we have a LED. For the board of director machine, that will be a little bit more complex, but that's the principle of the circuit. Let me know if you have any question. Check your amperes, check your voltage, check that everything is working, and when it's share with me. So to share, you click share, and oh, that's new. Invite people and copy this link. Okay, so please share this link in your when you submit, and a screenshot for the screenshot, share screenshot, and you will have a snapshot of your circuit. Let's look at this. You will have a snapshot of your circuit. So share this with me. Okay, especially the link, especially if it doesn't work, I will help you. I have access to all your circuits because you joined the class, so I have access to all your circuits, so I can help you, and I will check that you have all your circuits with your name inside. So you can call this one, put your name, and the simple circuit activity. Your name, activity, and simple circuit. Yep. So it will be easy for me to see all your circuits. So that's it for the first activity in Tinkercad. Bye.